Alright, I think we just skimmed the robin. Pause. Alright, I'm gonna reload real quick because we're reloaded. And we got birds everywhere right now. And that robin, I think, is right there. We got birds up in these trees right now, but if I see that robin, I really want to kill that robin because I think I might have made it. There's a bird just chatting up a storm up there. And I don't know where it is. Okay, I found him. It's too thick. And he just flew into the other tree. I may have been actually at a different bird right now. It's too windy. There he goes, he's coming down. Yes. Right. Some birds are coming back. Got a bird down right here. Reload real quick. And this video was illegal, okay? I got permission to do this. I was supposed to do this, okay? Nothing is illegal here.